a bit of a winter refresh for your next grocery shop. Lifestyle expert Brigitte Truong joins us with some curated picks. So let's start off with tea.
Yes. Happy New Year, by the way.
Happy New Year
Also,
to you.
is it too late to say that?
No, because it's the first time we've seen each other
Thank
this
you.
year.
I wasn't sure what the window of opportunity was. But yes, I'm so excited. We have a winter refresh and a lot of different ideas to do so, starting with tea. You know, I want to start off with a really interesting study that Tetley recently conducted to find out how Canadians really feel about making those New Year's resolutions and where their priorities are, and really interesting findings in it. Nearly 94% of Canadians say that they want to embrace more joy, more happiness. 89% say that they want more balance in their lives, and nearly 97% of Canadians say that and agree that it starts with the right mindset when it comes to fulfilling those wellness goals, which I agree with. But the loaded question is, how do you start? How do you get into the right mindset?
Put the kettle on.
This is where Tetley comes in. They have a range of caffeine-free Live teas with 2 new flavors that really tap into what Canadians are looking for, which is to live happy and to live balanced in 2024.
Okay.
Live Happy is on a regular rotation in my home. It's got a really nice flavor combination.
So is that what I'm going to try here?
Yes.
And which one is that?
That's the pink one right over here.
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
It's nice and warm. Thank you.
The best for you. It's cold out there. So we got combinations of sweet mango and tangy passion fruit.
Oh, this is really
nice?
okay. And I'm not really an herbal tea person, but okay, this is really good. This is really good.
It's nice and light. So for those also looking to decrease their caffeine intake this year as well, these are great options to explore.
Yeah, because sometimes at night I really, really want a tea, but all I have is caffeinated. So
oh yeah, no, that's not fun. No.
Okay, now we're headed to Farm Boy.
Yes. This is for those who are looking to refresh what's in their fridge and what they're serving up at home, like my fiance and I. We're always thinking. But I want to suggest eating fresh and colorfully. We love colors on a plate. It always translates to good things.
Okay, and we've got all kinds of colors here.
We do. Farm Boy is definitely all about eating colorfully. That's the initiative they're kicking off the year with. And of course, you see it in their produce section. You see fresh fruits and vegetables delivered every single day, but also in their private label. So many great products, from dressings to juices and salad toppers. I love a good Farm Boy salad topper. They're so good. But
and they have all different kinds.
Tons of different options at your disposal. So have fun, get creative out there. 47 locations across Ontario and counting. And for those out there who are always finding themselves in a hurry, in a rush to create meals, I really advise you to go to Farm Boy and check out their chef-prepared meals, the dishes that are made in-store every day. They're really nice and convenient.
Okay, all right, energy balls.
Have you made energy bites before?
I haven't, because I'm like, I don't have all the ingredients.
I know. Okay, this is where Keen comes in. This is actually a Canadian brand, and they're all about delicious and nutritious, Annette, with their no-bake energy bite mixes.
Okay.
So instead of going
it's got everything there. What do you add to it?
Everything you need. Yes, you can add your own mix-ins and sweeteners, which this is why I love about snack solutions like Keen, is that you can customize it. So if you have dietary restrictions or preferences, choose your own mix-ins, choose your own sweeteners. But these are non-GMO, they're gluten-free, no artificial flavors, kosher, with 12 grams of protein if you follow the original recipe.
Okay.
So they're packed full of protein. They're fantastic. Check out Keen at keenenergy.ca.
Okay, and you've got one for me to try. And we've got about a minute left here.
Okay, 3 different flavors. This is the oat chocolate chip. There's apple cinnamon. There's coconut cocoa as well. But that's my favorite.
Oh, I
it's
really
good,
like this. Okay.
It's really yummy.
Mine at the back, so it's separate, and I can finish it after.
Okay. And really quickly here, I really want to put a tired debate to rest. Can we or can't we make friends with salads?
I love salads.
Yes, we can. Tim, can we make friends with salads? Yes. Yes, I will. Yes. Commercial break.
A salad that somebody else makes always tastes so much more better.
But you want to taste good, you want fresh ingredients, and that's where Art comes in. Art is a creative salad kit brand, and what sets them apart is that they're made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients that from farms and producers. And so you're always getting the good stuff in these bags, and they're unique combinations, innovative combinations. One of my favorites is the zesty kale Caesar, but also the honey yuzu coleslaw. Oh, that is a fun time.
And kale is so good in a Caesar because it really holds up to the, it doesn't go all limp after a little while.
No.
Like it keeps its shape and
Absolutely.
its taste. Yeah.
It's so tasty.
So is that a delivery option, or is that you pick it up in the store?
You can pick it up in the store, and it's available across select retailers in Ontario and Quebec.
All things to add to your new shop.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks very much, Brigitte.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more Morning Live right after this.